I'm going to go ahead and start recording, and we're going to get started because I want to be mindful of time. So if people pop on, that's great. We're going to record it. So if you wouldn't mind, if you're not speaking, to go ahead and mute yourself so there's not any background noise. If you don't know how to do that, there should be a speaker, a little thing that looks like a speaker and says mute under it, or by your name. There should be a speaker, depending on if you're on a phone or if you're on the computer, and just try to mute your line, and that will be good. So we'll just keep down on background noise. Awesome. Well, welcome everyone. My name is Sarah Usry, and I live in Midlothian, Texas, and I'm super excited to have you all here and welcome you guys to this Juice Plus Freedom Revolution event. I'm hosting along with my friends Leanne, Maura, and Lindy. So you're going to hear their stories, and many of them have invited you to this event, so we're super excited to have you. We're really here to network with mission-driven people on the topic of family health. You've been invited by your respective invitee because they respect you, and they would love for you to know what we are up to. We're having a lot of fun over here, so watch out. This is going to be a fun call. This will be really relaxed and fun, like I said, and you won't have to buy anything or sign up for anything. We're just going to share some quick information with you. We hope that you enjoy listening. And perhaps you'll think of someone in your life needing to hear this message as well. So thanks for coming. So to kick it off, I'd really like to ask you a question. So by a raise of hands, would you agree that being healthy today can be challenging? Yep, I think we all do. We all really would love to look great, right? We'd love to feel great, and we really all want to live a long life. I think everybody can agree upon that. We know it's our job to try and make this happen. But unfortunately, we know that it's complicated. Sometimes it's unpleasant, and it can even be confusing. So that's where we come in here. We'd really like to introduce you to a movement we call the Healthy Living Revolution. And I, alongside my friends on this call tonight, and thousands of others, are part of this unique community where together we're taking our health back in ways that are really simple, they're doable, and they're fun. So the goal of the Healthy Revolution is to really come alongside families that want better health. We want to meet them where they're at and empower them to make positive changes along the way. Let me take you through the following doorways to inspire healthy living. We have free resources, we've got nutritional support, and we have an organization that makes it all possible. And that's what we're going to focus on tonight in this call. The free resources are really awesome. We have the Healthy Living Revolution. It's created a selection of fantastic resources for families to use from all ages. We have a cookbook, a wonderful cookbook of clean and easy recipes. We also host short webinars frequently and on trending health topics. We have home fitness series, and we have our Start Strong program, which is really designed to raise up a generation of active, healthy children that have a positive body image and good nutritional habits. So you may want to look at these resources, and the person who invited you to this call will send you the link for the Healthy Living Revolution website after this call is over. So let's talk about the other door that I mentioned, the nutritional support. This is the foundation of good health. We have to flood our bodies with real foods. We really need to focus on eating more fruits, vegetables, and berries that are in the raw form. They're not only good for us, but they're absolutely critical for our body to function correctly. We're supposed to actually eat, get this, everybody listen, 9 to 13 servings every day, not just per week, every day. But almost no one does. By a show of hands, how many got maybe 9 servings in today of fresh, raw fruits and vegetables? Wow, okay. Should I go down? How about 5? Down still? Okay, oh, 5, good, Maura, okay. 5, okay. So 5 or less, so that doesn't even close to come close to the minimum, okay? So think about it. How many days in the past week have you even gotten 9 to 13 servings of fruits and veggies and berries? Maybe like an entire week, maybe 9 to 13? Okay, so even the best eaters need help, okay? Even the best eaters. So that's why we are so thankful for the nutritional support of something called Juice Plus. So let's talk about our products. Juice Plus is over 30 raw fruits and vegetables that are vine ripened. They're whole foods. The product is non-GMO, so it's non-genetically modified, and it's actually certified by an outside body to say that it's pure, called NSF certification. I like to call it, and many of us call it, a salad in a capsule. It's important to understand the process that the fruits and vegetables go through to be encapsulated and put into either a capsule, which I'm going to show you the products here in a second, or into a chewable form. They remain, they're pulled completely vine ripened, and they remain attached to the plant until the full nutritional value is developed out of the fruit and vegetable. Then they're taken, they're ground up, and they're actually put through a proprietary simple juicing process where they put the entire food. Okay, we're talking about the peels. Who eats the peel of an orange? Anybody? No, not me. We're talking about the seeds. Does anybody eat the seeds? No, but they have a lot of nutritional value. What about the leaves? They do too. So they put all of that through the process to provide the best nutrition in these capsules and gummies. And it is it's slowly dried at low temperatures. So that preserves the live nutrients. So it's not heated. It's actually through cooling temperatures. And then it's put into the capsules and chewables. So let me show you those. So we actually have our capsules here. We have 3 different blends. We've got our fruit blend. And like I want to show you, I'm going to go ahead and show you this now. We have a nutrition label, so I'll touch on that in a second. We've got our veggie blend, and it's got a list of all the ingredients. Everything in here you would recognize. There's nothing foreign. So no weird dextromethorphan, something, something, something. That's actually a drug. And berries we also have, and there you have a nutritional label as well. And then we also have, and then reach down here, we also have it in gummy form. And these are so yummy. I want to eat like a whole bag of them. So we have, those are our foundational products. Here's what I love about Juice Plus, and this is why I said yes to the business and to the products over almost 2 years ago. It's scientifically proven. Juice Plus is the most researched nutritional product in the world. And it has close to 40 published studies in peer-reviewed medical journals. That's huge, y'all. Many prescription medications may have 1 to 2 studies that lead to its FDA approval, okay? This nutritional product is well-researched. It's food. It's not a vitamin. And like I said, it has the nutrition label on all of these products. So again, it's not a supplement label, it's a nutrition label. And it's the same label you'd actually find if you went into the freezer section and looked at a frozen bag of broccoli or peas. It's the same type of label. So if you actually bought this in the grocery store, which is not available, but if you did, it wouldn't be in the pharmacy section, it would actually be in the food section. So again, it's just food, and even the government considers it just food. So there's no warning labels. It's safe for all ages, pregnant, nursing mothers, children, elderly, and even professional athletes. We also have a new product called our Omega Blend, which is fantastic. You might hear a little bit about this later. And it actually does have a supplement label, so it's a little bit different than our other products, but it is a fantastic new product to our line. And then let me show off some of the tastiest shakes you will ever have in your entire life. I promise you, I am not kidding. We've got our chocolate complete shakes. These are vegan, non-GMO, dairy-free. They have whole food protein, fiber, amino acids. They also have 15 fruits and vegetables in them. We have a chocolate, and I just dropped my vanilla, so hang on tight. And we also have vanilla. They come in little packets that are individually packed or into a bag where you can set them up. So we've got those. And then we also have some yummy bars, which we call our complete bars, which you can take on the run or go. So these protein shakes and bars are actually great for healthy snacks, great for breakfast replacements, or for post or pre-workouts. We also have, and I kind of am going to show off my awesome Maura and Leanne, we have Tower Gardens. So we can talk to you more about that if you have questions about our Tower Garden, but it's an aeroponic growing system that's no soil, it's all water-based, and it's really fun. We also have a 4-month program, which we call the 10-day jumpstart, called the Shred 10. And together we shred food and habits that aren't serving us well, And we do this by staying very closely connected to support and encouragement in a really wonderful community we're a part of. Feel free to check out our shred10.com website, and the person who invited you to this call can send it over to you after this call if you'd like to learn more. And we're going to go into our first story tonight. That's going to be with our lovely, beautiful Lindy, and she's going to tell us her story and her journey with Juice Plus and the Shred 10 program. Take it over, Lindy.
Hey guys, thank you so much for letting me share with you guys, because I love to share my story. I started off with the fruit and vegetable and berry blends every day, and I had seen a lot of healing, but one of the problems that I have is that I have a thyroid condition, and with the thyroid condition came lots of negative symptoms, and one of which was IBS, and I had chronic IBS, so much so that I was an educator and I missed 14 days of school in one school year, and they were due to just embarrassing symptoms of IBS. And so I was suffering with that. I got on Juice Plus for an unrelated health issue with my daughter. But when I started the Shred 10 program, I began to see a lot of healing. And so I looked into it and I realized just what a big deal gut health is. And I had been told by 3 different doctors that my IBS was chronic and there was nothing I could do about it except manage symptoms. And they were happy to put me on whatever medicine would help my cramping and things to stop with IBS. Well, I'm here to tell you guys that IBS is not a chronic condition that you have to live with your whole life. There's lots and lots and lots of things you can do for gut health that can help you so much. And one of those was Shred 10 for me. And when I began the Shred 10 lifestyle and started shredding foods that were not serving my body well, I'd like to say that I missed 0 days of school this past year for IBS. So while I can't say that I am cured from IBS, I can say that I am symptom-free, and I've been symptom-free for almost a year. It'll be a year in September. So it's just been life-changing for me, and I would never go back. That's just the way I eat now and the way I live my life all the time.
That is awesome. Thank you for sharing, Lindy. It's such a powerful story. She has so much meat more to that story, but we don't have the time for it. So if you'd love to hear more from Lindy, we'd love to connect you with her. Now we're going to tell a story. Maura's going to tell her story, which is a new story that we're super excited about. So I'm going to turn it over to you, Maura.
Hi, everybody. My story starts just the very first part of June. I've been having a lot of health issues off and on for months, different things. I also teach, and I went to the doctor, and my blood pressure was very high. It was 152/96. Overweight and things like that, of course. So she put me on, I did tell her I was on Juice Plus. She was like, I've never heard of that. I'm interested to kind of see what it all involves. I did tell her it was plant-based, and she was like, do you cut out, proteins or things like that? And I told her, no, you eat your proteins, you eat your vegetables, you just try to watch your gluten, your dairy, things like that. So she said, oh, okay. Like, she didn't really kind of believe me, but she kind of did. And so I went back yesterday, as a matter of fact, and in that 6-week amount of time, I've lost 25 pounds. My blood pressure dropped from 152/96 to 131/89. And the whole point of me going back was to possibly put me on high blood pressure medicine, because it ran in the family. My dad's got it, things like that. So with that being said, she's like, I've never seen anybody in 6 weeks drop that much weight with that much blood pressure dropped. So she said, I'm going to keep your medicine where it's at. We'll come back in 3 months, see where you're at. She did tell me with the rate of progress that I'm doing, she said, I don't see a need that you'll ever have to be on the blood pressure medicine. So that's my story in a small nutshell. There's more to it, of course, but that's the good part, the very good part.
That is so awesome, Maura. I'm super excited for you. We've been celebrating for the past 24 hours since you got that news. So, y'all, this is the power of whole food nutrition right here, and we have the community to help you get there. So, I'd like to transition to telling you a little bit about our business. Now we're going to talk about the business community, and the main mission of the Juice Plus company is to bring freedom to through improved health. It's important to know that about 80% of Juice Plus is used by just happy customers who have really no affiliation with the company. Serving these customers are those of us who have partnered with Juice Plus as a business opportunity, and we are paid well to do a lot of good. And so as you listen to our stories in a little bit, perhaps you'll think of someone in your life who may need to hear what is possible with this business opportunity. First, let's stress a couple of common questions about the Juice Plus company. How does it work? So business is actually open to anyone 18 years or older. It's called a virtual franchise, and it's only, listen, stop for a second. It's only $50 a year to own this business. You have an online office and a personal website. Basically, you run the business from a device, so spend most of my time on my phone. Anytime and anywhere. You earn residual income by simply just sharing the Juice Plus product, sharing your story, and the company does the rest. They manufacture the Juice Plus, they deliver it, they bill it, they collect from customers, and they pay us by direct deposit monthly. There's no inventory to keep. The only Juice Plus you actually ever touch is the one that's in your home and that you're consuming. All commission levels are permanent, so once you hit a promotion, you stay there forever until you go to the next one, so you're never demoted. No quotas, or minimums, and you have the freedom to choose the pace that you want to go in this company. There's no glass ceiling or on the income or territorial restrictions, and the Juice Plus company is in over 20 countries right now. What's so great about the Juice Plus company in my mind is that it's been around for a long time. It was actually formed nearly 50 years ago by our president and founder, Jay Martin, who is still at the helm today. We're privately held, debt-free, multi-billion-dollar company. We have a family benefits package at the top position in our company that includes medical, dental, disability, life, long-term care, chiropractic, prescriptions, along with college assistance, holiday bonuses, and monthly expense allowances. This business can produce short-term cash or be a long-term wealth building and retirement strategy. All I have to say is if you don't have a plan B for what you're doing right now, you better get one because everyone needs one. Everyone needs residual income. And by the way, not only is Juice Plus company inspiring healthy living, but it's also inspiring healthy giving. It's impacted over 1 million families so far with free Juice Plus for our children through our Family Health Study, which was formerly called our Children's Health Study. We're the title sponsor of the St. Jude Memphis Marathon Weekend. We're highly involved in the Boys and Girls Club and the Volunteers of America. And we really look forward to continue to our giving in many different ways in the future. This is how we're making a difference in the world. So now I'm going to transition over to Leanne, and she's going to share a little bit about why she joined this business opportunity. Go ahead, Leanne.
Good evening, everybody. Can y'all hear me first off? You can? Okay, great, because my internet connection's a little sketchy. So I'm a pharmacist, and some of you that live close know that I'm a pharmacist and I work in an independent pharmacy. And I started taking Juice Plus a year and a half before I signed up as a distributor because I could see the research. It made sense. It was a fantastic product, but I wanted to see if it worked for myself before I committed to share it with the people around me, because I'm so used to telling people about drugs that have studies, and it was just unfamiliar ground for me. So I took it for a year and a half, and my life-changing moment was this last flu season. Was the first flu season in over 12 years as a pharmacist that I had not gotten the flu and pneumonia. So I could tell that my immune system was hugely improved from previous years because I get breathed on every day long, every day, all day. People cough and come into the pharmacy with the flu and strep and everything else. So I haven't had to call in sick to work. I haven't, last year I used all my vacation days when I had the flu and pneumonia. I didn't get to go do anything exciting. So, so I just want you to know that it really works. I wouldn't be sharing it with people if I didn't believe it myself that it works. And now I just feel like I have the opportunity to continue to do what I do and help people, and when I'm at work or when I'm at home. So I'm constantly trying to share with people about our mission, because it's a great mission, and we're here to make these changes. And the community of Juice Plus is just absolutely amazing. You'll have all the support you could ever need. For me, my extra income right now, for me, it's going to change off and on. Right now, it's going to the renovations of my house. So you can't really tell, but this is a cabinet right here in the middle of my office. So you use Juice Plus for what you want to use it for. For vacation, you could use it for school. If you're going back to school to get another degree, you could use it for a college fund for your kids. You could use it for, there's so many things you could use it for, and you get out of it what you put into it. So I do love having the opportunity to use my residual income to go on vacation with my family, and to be able to put that extra light fixture I want to put in my living room that might be a little bit more money than I would really want to spend. So it's great. And I'd be happy to share more of my story with anyone else, that's interested in it. Feel free to reach out to me. I'm on Facebook, and Maura knows how to find me too. So feel free to reach out to any of us. I'm going to go back on mute.
Awesome. Thanks, Leanne. And Leanne and I know each other because we went to pharmacy school together. So I'm a pharmacist as well. And I'm just going to share my story with you and why I chose to join this business opportunity. As a pharmacist, I really enjoyed taking care of patients, but in the past 7 years, I moved into a career that would get me home, into a home office, but with it, I do have to travel. I work for a pharmaceutical company. I do clinical research in the fields of cancer therapies, and I travel and meet with physicians and talk to them about research. And with it, I've actually gotten really far removed from taking care of patients. I have kind of a bigger impact, I guess, on their lives, but no direct impact. And I didn't realize that I missed that. And when I learned about this community, this company, after I started taking the products, I pretty much said yes to the business because I wanted to get some money back on my products since my entire family was on it. And I quickly learned, I'm like, this could be more than just getting money back on my product. This could actually be something that could give me that fulfillment in my life that I'm missing, of helping people. And for me, helping people and serving people is what I feel called to do as a servant of God. And so I definitely have gotten really on fire about doing that through this business opportunity. And I'm actually on a path to hopefully do the Juice Plus business full time and eventually leave my career, my full-time career that I went to many, many years of school for, because that is how amazing this company, these products, and the people in this company are. So if that's not a testimony to you about how awesome, because I can't think of any other word, or amazing this company is and the products are, I don't know what else is. So just to conclude, because I know we're getting here on our 30-minute time mark, I really want to thank you for just joining us, for just saying yes to listen, if nothing, to just support us as we're building a business and sharing this health and wellness with others. And we're just excited to network with two types of people. People who are really ready to take the next step in their health, because we have lots of ways we can help you. We call it the one simple change. You do one simple change over and over and over again. You could have totally, changed your life in many ways. So we have great free resources, like we mentioned, to make your life a little bit easier. Adding Juice Plus to your life can make your life a lot easier because you're bridging that gap in your diet, because nobody on here said they're eating 9 to 13 servings per day. And it only costs about $2 to $3 a day. And I mentioned this earlier, and you might not have caught it, but kids get it for free when adults sign up. And it's the simplest, most convenient, and affordable way to get massive amounts of nutrition into busy families. We're all busy these days. The other kind of person we want to network and partner with is anyone wanting to earn a stable residual income in order to expand their options while making a difference in this world. So if our discussions about the business kind of hit maybe something in your heart, or it sounds, a light bulb went off in your head, please get with one of us because we'd love to share more about the business opportunity. Maybe you could ask yourself, who do I know who needs to hear about this? What if Juice Plus could help them? If you think of someone, we would love to invite them to another event or share the recording of this with them. And after we're done, the person who invited you to this will send you our Healthy Living Revolution website link, as well as if you're interested in the Shred 10, we can send you that as well and just touch base with you and see what you think. Feel free to ask them more questions. If you're not interested at a time, we're okay with it. Keep an open mind though. This is a really great opportunity. You don't want to pass it up. Thanks for attending. I think we have a couple minutes, so we'll take any questions you might have, and if not, I will end the recording and end the call. So we really appreciate you guys being here. Any questions?
I have a question.
Sure, Debbie.
Yes, if you sign up for the business side of it, do you get a discount on the products?
So they don't actually give you a discount, but you actually make money off of your product. So you will actually make a retail sales profit. And when you hit the first commission level, which you can hit very quickly by just getting your household and 2 other households signed on, you actually get a 6% commission on top of that, plus a $100 bonus. So pretty much it pays you back for the product you've already bought. And then again, like I said, you make retail sales profit and commission off of your product in addition to the other houses that you share this with. So so it's not like an initial discount program, so to speak, but that's how it works.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thanks for asking. Any other questions?
Sarah, I want to say thank you to Josie and Kim that I invited, and they're both on here. So I want to thank you both for coming on and finding out a little bit about our information about what we do and what we don't want it.
Awesome. Yes, thank you for saying that, Maura. Thank you guys for getting on. We really appreciate your time. And again, if you can think of anyone that you want to share this with, we'd love to send them a link or talk to them some more, get them plugged in. We're also doing another event this weekend on Facebook, so we can get you plugged in that way too to share. So lots more stories on that Facebook event. So thanks again for being here. We're super happy to have you, and have an awesome night.